kanji number 97. So for the walk or a step, walk or step. So here the stroke of that kanji, first vertical 1, second horizontal 1, and left vertical 1, then big horizontal 1. So it is middle 1, left 1, right 1, and lower 1. So this is the stroke of that kanji. So sound like that, sometimes po, ho, and bo. Po, ho, bo. So like that. So word and meaning, ippo, ippo. Continue. So this is called one step at a time. Ippo, ippo. One step. That means or step by step. So we can say also a step by step. Ippo, ippo. A step by step. So here is also ichi kanji. So we know already that kanji here again, vertical, horizontal, vertical, that phases. So again similar, ippo, ippo, step by step. Sampo, sampo, a walk, sampo. So here, sampo. So a combine that kanji, this is called sam, and here is po. We already know how to write. So sampo, a walk, in the meaning of walk. Sampo. Dai ippo, the first step. Dai ippo. So here is dai. Dai. So this is ippo. Dai ippo, the first step.